Okay, welcome back with another video, and today we're gonna be using auto weapons only, like when you hold it and it just keeps shooting. So we're probably gonna run the loadout Uzi, AR, and SMG, but if we have to, we'll switch to auto shotgun, probably, and yeah, maybe some other autos, like, I don't know, AK, maybe, or like burst, but I don't know about burst or AK. I don't really use them much, so burst. Let's go. Go. Alright, let's go. Let's go right here with this easy. Okay, then I'll go here then. Yo, this is Glazer here.
I got the sniper shot one day.
So I hope it don't
Everybody
get
that
cooked.
used to be Battlefield is now server.
Hope we win. Gosh, damn! We got 8 Primal Emperor. Golly, wait, did I just 1v1 this guy? I swear I just 1v1'd you, bro.
No,
Yeah, I did.
Yo,
You're in my
Timo,
other
we're
video.
cut.
Yo, you were just in my other video, bruh.
Match starting.
I'm making a bunch of videos right now. I'm probably just
Round starting.
Yeah, I was spamming. No, I do not use this, bruh.
He's super low,
My bad, bruh. Yo, I got him for like 100, bro. How did he not die?
I said one time. Teammate, I said one time.
Yo, I got him for like 100. What the heck? Yo, why is Uzi kind of OP? I like got him for like 100 in like 2 seconds. Oh my god, 75. Oh, damn! Who's shooting me from behind, bro? Damn! Oh crap!
Yo.
Okay, I'm gonna use AR still probably. I could probably just go back here and just like
Round starting.
spray him pretty hard. Damn. Yeah, I gotta stop, bro. What am I doing? What am I doing, bro? I'm literally just jumping this and this, and you're just shoot me right through. What am I doing, bro?
Round starting.
Okay, I'm cooked. What do I do? No, I'm cooked. I can't do anything, bro. I just hit a line spike. On my boundary, crap.
Oh shit.
Yep, so. What is my teammate doing, bro? You're gonna die. You cooked. Bro, you almost died. Oh crap, almost dropped my controller. Oh my god. I held it by a shot. Am I him or what? I almost dropped my controller. But chill, bro.
Round starting.
Damn it, I'm so trash. Damn, my teammate carried though. Low key, I was selling that round, but
Bro.
bye.
I don't like
Yo, I'm gonna try. Yo, we need one more.
I got banger loadout. Yeah, I got
Yo, let me
banger
1v1 this guy.
loadout.
No, I was gonna 1v1 him, bro. I wanna take his street core. He might be smurfing though, so. I don't know what auto weapons. Oh, I don't know, bro. Shotgun. No, I'm probably gonna stick my loadout for now. Sniper. I mean, I guess it's technically spray, but
Match
auto
starting.
weapons, I guess.
Round starting.
That was crazy bird right there. Bro, I just got bombed. Oh, burst? Crazy, bro. I just missed everything. Oh, I'm cooked. I ran straight into him, bro. My bad. Here, we're gonna lose this one, but it's okay. I was low-key selling that round anyways. I was not saying nothing. My bad, bro. Don't leave, please don't leave.
Round starting.
Yo, I just got bombed. my god, bro. What am I
Oh,
doing?
he's super low.
Damn.
Oh yeah.
Yo, did you hit him for nothing, bro? Huh. Yo, teammate, come on. Okay. Oh, I could probably use SMG. I was not using SMG.
Round starting.
Nah. No, he goes up. Crab! Oh my, what the hell? Yo, I did not know that did so much damage, bro. What the hell? Okay, stop.
All of their health. None.
Yo, oh my gosh, bro, that was crazy damage. What the hell? Alright.
Round starting.
Nice people. He doesn't even see me, bro. Crap, I'm getting doubled. Crap. Let's go. I'm honestly just like doing the wall hop thing too much.
Round
I gotta
starting.
like move around more. Oh, nice tracking. Nice tracking. Oh my, nice tracking, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm super low though. Oh, his teammates just left him. That's sad.
Round starting.
Oh, it's okay though. It's like, doesn't matter
Why
anyway.
do people keep on losing?
Here. Ah, it's fine, bro. Here. I'll just let you have it. Here, you can do it. Thank you.
Round starting.
Oh, damn! Damn, bro. He got his head blown off. Damn, bro. You got your freaking head blown off. Good game, though. Good game. Wait, no, you got your head blown off, bro. You like, no, this is crazy. I'm probably gonna play like 1 or 2 more games. Good game, bro. He freaking just twisted his head off. Yo, I don't know if you want somebody. Yo, let me up one. Angel VR. He looks like a YouTuber. Are you a YouTuber? Or not? Are you a YouTuber or not? Yeah? Are you popular? Are you popular? Maybe? How many subs? You can't really talk. Okay, I really want to spam
Match starting.
really hard with Uzi. It's actually OP. I don't know, like, why
Round
I've not
starting.
been using Uzi, bro. This thing is OP. Oh, no! Dang, no, bro. If I had a freaking SMG. Hey, let me switch this real quick. There we go. This is a lot better.
Round starting.
Holy spray! Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Uzi is OP. What the heck? Why have I never been using this?
Round starting.
That's crazy, bro. Oh, now he's using Uzi as well, bro. Auto shotgun, crap. Oh my god, I killed him with auto. Oh my, Uzi is insane. Damn, bro, I was 120 health. I can do my quest.
Round
Uzi's
starting.
insane. What the heck? I'm gonna have to pull out auto shotgun though. Oh my gosh, bro. He can't touch this. Hold on, I'm looking cooking right now.
Round starting.
Just missed, bro. How did you miss your shot? Oh, I ran out of ammo. I was gonna die. He didn't die. So. Look, he kind of cooking this guy out.
Round starting.
Yeah. Just missed everything. Whoa! Bro, I just keep wall bouncing, bro. I just keep... Yo, good game, bro. You want a rematch? Sure, rematch. Rematch. Yo, chillax, bro. Please don't pick a weird map. Please. Oh my god! If I use that map, I have to use auto. Shoddy. Please, please. Do not be weird, bro. Frick! I'm using auto. I have to pull out the auto shotgun.
Match starting.
Auto shotgun.
Round starting.
No, okay, I have to just not use SMG. The fry, bro. Crap, he just beat me up. Yo, what? Yo, how much did I hit him for? 170? Yo, how, bro? I swear I hit him for so much more.
Round starting.
I don't really have a range trapper. Oh my holy. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Yo, I'm cooked, bro. I'm cooked. Hold on. Let me put SMG. Where's SMG? Oh, right here.
Round
No,
starting.
bro, I didn't even pull it out. I need to. He just jumped straight towards his face. He came right back. And I just.
Round starting.
Oh my gosh! Yo, I'm at 16 HP, bro. Well, I mean, this guy's 1500 MMR, though.
Round starting.
Crap. I'm fried. I'm cooked. Where's he at? Oh my gosh, where's he at? Dang it, bro. I think I'm cooked. I'm probably gonna lose this game.
Round starting.
What the heck? I started, boop with his face. It's so hard in my room, bro. And it's nighttime as well.
Round starting.
You just missed your shotgun, bro. Oh my gosh, what time is it? Damn, okay. I probably gotta get off after this game. I mean, I don't really have to, but
Round starting.
gotta edit my videos. I mean, I'm really. Oh, what the heck? Did he just leave? He just left. Where'd he go? No! Oh, well. I hope that was a W video for you. Only using autos. And see you in the next video. Bye!